Alrighty guys, real quick, let's talk about some tools. Y'all see this fancy hook tool, guys, used to take this hose clamp or this hose off right here. Now I had to get this clamp off first, guys. Now I have a tool to install the new clamp right here. Okay, in fact, here is the new clamp. All right, so I got a lot of stuff going on here, but for number one, this tool right here, this hook. Let's talk about this hook, guys. It is needed to break the seal of this hose right here. This is very much, it's been on so long, it's almost feel like it's sealed up. All right, now I don't know if I can get this off with in this little time that I have on this short video, but some people may not know how to use this. All right, I'm not a tool expert, but yeah, just get it under there. May work out for me. Oh, look at that. There you go. All right, that's tool right here. You don't have no twisting room, so you almost gotta have a tool. All right, y'all stay tuned. Alrighty guys, real quick, 3.2 Cherokee P0128 thermostat, guys. I got the new one on it. Here's the old one. Yes, it even started leaking. All right, we had this incident with this clamp, guys. Watch one of my past videos concerning this clamp, but now I'm done, guys. This job is done. At least the thermostat is on. All right, now it's time to make sure we have no air pockets. Let's get that out. Y'all see what I'm about to use right here? Mopar, guys. Antifreeze. This is the 10-year antifreeze this car calls for. Will other antifreeze work? Absolutely. This is my antifreeze of choice, okay, for this particular car. All right, I do not use German antifreeze. This is mine. It's that big old M. Yes, guys. All right, it's enough clowning around, JT. Let's get this. Guys, y'all know the drill. You put this in until the coolant come out. All right, I'm out of time on the short videos. So as long as y'all understand my motive here, all right, I gotta go. That's all I have. Alrighty, guys, real quick, man. I'm pissed off, man. All right, guys, this happens from time to time. Y'all see the parts I have right here? Yeah, simple spark plugs, right? Intake gasket. That means I'm getting ready to remove this plenum so I can gain access to these spark plugs, especially bank 2 spark plugs. The intake plenum has to come off to get to the spark plugs on bank 2. Now, in the process of doing that, some things have to come off, right? In the middle of taking things off on this older model Jeep and how brittle things are, this could happen. Ta-da! Yes, guys, this happened in my possession. This purge valve has to come off, so this is so soft. I barely moved this, guys. Y'all see this? I'm talking, I barely moved it, and it just... All right, what do you do when this happens? It's simple. You got to fix it. All right, now, do you keep this discreet? In other words, do you shut your damn mouth and just fix it? That's up to you, guys. I'll let y'all know my decisions on the next short, but this piece costs like $100. All right, do you want to pay for that? I don't know, man. Yeah, I'll let you ready, guys. Real quick, they're getting ready to do a real diff service on this Wrangler. Yeah, guys. Back in the day, we used to remove the cover. Now with the invention of the drain plug and the field plug, we no longer move the cover. All right, just remove the drain plug. And before you remove the drain plug, make sure the field plug can be removed. All right, let me grab my tools. Anyway, guys, this is the fluid I'm using, Valvoline. I think we all out of Mopar. It's not Derman, though. That's all that matters. It's really not Derman. This is Valvoline 75W90. All right, let's get this cap off, because I'm curious to know how this car got 120,000 miles maybe on it. I want to know. Oh, look at that, guys. That's how you destroy. All right, guys. Y'all see that? That is not good. Man, stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. I'm pissed off, man. All right, take a look at this, guy. Y'all see this is a new starter, right? Mopar. I only use Mopar starters. This is a Dodge Charge. Guys, here's why I'm pissed off. I'm thinking I got an easy 3 hours, right? Starter right there. All you got to do is unbolt the 2 bolts and it's out. Look, I got it unbolted. The starter just dangling. It's only one problem. I can't get it out, guys. Look, it won't come through here. It won't come through here. I can't sneak it through here because that hole is too small. Guys, I'll have to remove something. Oh my God. Look, it's right freaking here. I can't squeeze through there. I can't. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, stop crying, JT. Stop acting like a little biatch. Here's what I got to do. I got to lower this rack and pinion. So that's why the 3 hours come in, guys. All right, so should I just drop the rack so that will clear, that will give me some space, or should I just remove this flange right here, this steering flange, and that will give me some room? Either way it go, y'all stay tuned for the long video. I'm gonna do a long video. Stay tuned. Oh, she needs some struts. Y'all see that? Is that what? Holy cow. That doesn't look like that, do I? Am I crazy? Let me get a close look at this. Whoa. So, look at that, guys. New tires. Look like some suspension work been done, but whoa. This guy needs struts, man. Now, you know they make one-piece strut assembly, right? That's what I get for these older model cars. I don't fight with springs and things like that anymore, okay? Yes, give me a one-piece strut. But yeah, this strut is coming apart and it has made its way through there. All right, wow. Okay, guys. Let me give me a nice little. Back, guys, check this out, man. I want to show y'all something. Y'all see this differential? This differential is basically designed for use in a high-performance vehicle such as Hellcat. All right, remember, guys, when you upgrade your engine or you improve your engine high performance, you can't just use stock differential, okay? You got to go with a high performance diff, and that's what this is. Billet, guys. Yeah, that's new terminology. This is something new I just learned over here at All Par. I'm gonna show y'all what happened if you don't upgrade your differential, because yeah, it's not good. So take a look at this. Y'all see this differential right here? This was the stock differential made of cast aluminum. It was attached to a high performance engine, guys. Remember what I say, you're gonna upgrade your engine, you have to upgrade just about everything powertrain related, including the differential. If you don't, this is what will happen. All right, so I suggest you look into your upgrading your differential as well. All right, hashtag short. Whoa, man, check out this ProMaster, guys. Baby ProMaster. Look at all this damage. I wonder what. Oh, they don't have it hanging, they got it strapped up right here, guys. I was about to say, but look, guys. Oh, look at that tie rod. Oh, no. Let me show y'all something. This is the wheel that came off of it. Whoa. 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 Here go the new stuff that's going on. It. New wheel, new tire, of course, new panel. Ooh, lower control arm. I'm assuming this the rack and pinion. But again, I'm curious to know what the hell happened. Anybody want to take a stab? You know what, guys? Last time I saw this, the tow truck put his hook right here and tried to pull the car. So I'm not sure this from damage. I'm sure this from stupidity. But yeah, there's some major damage going on here. I'm still curious to know how this wheel got like this. Oh my goodness, man! Y'all stay tuned.